Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing an electric toothbrush from BluReeze. Let's get to it. So at this time I'm going to show you guys on the screen some of the images that I got from BluReeze's Amazon store. And to be completely honest, I think they do a pretty good job. It's got like 40,000 beats per minute. You charge it for 6 hours, you have like 180 hours of use. It comes with 8 toothbrush heads, which gives you the ability to use this for at least 2.5 years, close to 3. It's a pretty neat package. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys on a tabletop view and start unboxing it. Let's get to it. All right, so here is the BluReeze box itself. Let me go ahead and open it up. Let's see. It's nicely packaged, I like that. So, let's see, it's supposed to open from the top. It sure appears to be so. All right. Quite elegant, actually. So let's see what we got here. This must be the electric brush itself. Let's see. Yes, it is. Let me go ahead and put the scraps to the side. What do we got here? It's got clean, sensitive, whiten, and massage. Let's see. That is on clean. That is on sensitive. That is on whiten. And this is massage. Different modes, actually. I think the little head spins. Yes, it does. Wow, it's so surreal. You can barely feel it move, yet it's moving so fast. Excellent. All right, so go to the side. Move this out of the way. We don't need that. This must be, ooh, a carrying case. Pretty nifty. Let's see, how do we open this up? Ah, there we go. Okay. Let's open from this side. There it is. Ah, I see. So this will go in here, I am assuming. Yep. So that goes in there like so. All right, I'm assuming that these are the, these are the multiple head. It comes with 8 of them, apparently. 2.5 years, close to 3 of brushing. I mean, that's pretty cool. I think that's a pretty good value. So we got multiple heads here. Put them to the side. And here comes, this uses, oh, okay, so this uses a USB-C cord in order to charge. There we go. USB, USB-C. Where's the connector on this one? Ah, it's at the bottom. Got it. There it is. Ah, see, for waterproofing, I see how it is. So the little tab on the bottom, it has some little cushions, like little seals, little rubber seals. And they're meant to keep the water out. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. It'll plug in like so. You can plug it in your cell phone breaks like this one. I currently have a backup battery, like a backup battery bank. Let's see how it functions. Plug it in. There's the indicator that charges. 6 hours of charging and gives you basically a half a year of usage. It's ridiculous. These are pretty well made. All right, so let me go ahead and put a head on it. Let's see how that works. So I am assuming that will go in like so. Let's see. That's how it works. Ooh, it vibrates a lot. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do that cliche water test. I'll be right back. Are you guys ready for the cliche test? Look at that, look at that. Just gotta get my camera wet. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the mess I made right here, and I'm gonna go to the restroom. I'm gonna see if I can dirty my teeth the best that I can. I'll probably find some food somewhere, just give you guys a better visual. Because right now, if I just brush it as it is, I can just tell you what it feels like. But I want you guys to have a visual, so let's go to the restroom. All right, everybody. So I was thinking, what kind of food can I use to dirty my mouth the best to make it messy as heck? So I thought, look at the pantry, and I found Oreo cookies. Yep, this will get my mouth dirty, all right. I gotta find my toothpaste. My toothpaste out. There we go. All right. Got my toothpaste. No, blue dirty. Oh, it's gross, right? All right. So let me go ahead and get this started. Get it wet. See how it goes. I'm gonna fast forward this, okay? I don't want to bore you guys too much. My mouth tastes like Thin Mints. That's the first thing that came into my mind. Didn't realize that putting the Oreo cookies on my mouth together with the mint of the toothpaste, my mouth literally tastes like Thin Mints. All right, let's go to the table so you guys what it felt like. All right, so obviously it did clean my teeth. It is an interesting sensation, you know, feeling the whole vibration in your mouth. And there's a sensitive one, which is a little bit softer to the touch. It's a little bit softer, although I will probably use just the main clean one. Now the whitened one, this one is louder and a bit more rough into your teeth. So I will probably be careful if you have any gum damage. Perhaps you might want to stay away from the whitening. Perhaps. Now massage, what it does, it just keeps on vibrating. I actually gotta say, I did have fun making this review because I did enjoy it. You know, usually in the back, your back teeth usually don't get the brushing that usually needs. It's like my tongue is gliding right through it. That's good. Well, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative. So this is the electric toothbrush, the M8 model in specific. I believe they have one that's called the M10 that sent me. I will probably make another video for that one in a different day. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will put links of this on the description below. See you guys in the next one. Later.